There's a point when you're trying to make an artistic statement where you have to stand back and ask yourself, actually, does this make me look like a dickhead? If you haven't got a copy of it, I thoroughly recommend try and get a copy of it.
But sorry, iPad owners, you've got to pay, let's call it an arrogance tax.
But if you already own that, and this game's on sale, then yeah, go on, check it out. I'm going to take some items that were once in a box, I'm going to make them no longer be in that box, and in fact be out of the box.
Put the scale in a vertical position.
Do not eat! I'm going to eat one later just to be a rebel. But you can have loads of fun with an Xbox. Look, you can wear it as a hat. See? Here, Luke! I'm your father, innit? And your uncle!
It's fantastic!
So it turns out, I did get all the pieces. I was sat on some of them. I'm an adult. Kinda. Goodbye.